To another interesting tutorial, and in today's video I will show you on how to install and create an account with eBay shopping app. Let me show you how. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, consider to stay tuned to this video and see step-by-step guide on how to install the app and how to create an account with eBay shopping app. So in this tutorial I'm using Android. So for every Android user, go ahead and open up your Play Store. So if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. On getting to Play Store on Android phone, click on search right here. Then go ahead and type in eBay. Hit on search, and you are here. Go ahead and click on here. Then you are here. As at the time of making this video, 100 million plus are using eBay online shopping and selling. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on install right here. So I'm going to click on install right here. After a successful installation, go ahead and hit on open. The next thing you want to do, it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is that you can either continue with your Google account or with your Facebook account. So in this tutorial, I'm going to continue with my Google account. Go ahead and select your Google account. Review the Google account info we use to create an eBay account for you. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on create an account. Simplify your sign-in. Fast and secure sign-in passkey. So you can decide to skip for now. It's that simple. Click on allow. Then you are here in your eBay shopping app. So you can come down below right here. Click on this icon right here. My eBay. It will take you to your profile detail. Just like everything you see right here. This is search icon, notification icon, and this is the home page icon. Then from here, you can search for different products from the home page right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about eBay shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.